Hello, in this video we will be looking at the improved web authoring in Tableau 10. The web authoring in Tableau 10 has been significantly improved over Tableau 9 with the ability to create new dashboards based on saved data sources. Whereas before you could only create new views based on data sources, now you can include those views into dashboards created in the online web authoring tool. So the first thing we need is our data source. So if we head to our data sources tab, either in home or in a project, we can see our list of data sources. Here we have a couple of sample data sources. And now we need to create a new workbook based upon these data sources. So we're going to use the sample EU Superstore, and at the menu just on the right hand side where it says more actions, we select this menu and then we select new workbook. And this will open up a new tab with a new workbook for us to use. So now we need to start creating our views. So for example, I'm going to start by creating some profit and sales based views based on different orders and order dates. So I'm going to bring in my order date into my columns and bring in sales, and I'm going to create a few of these views and then we're going to assemble them into a dashboard. So now I have three views, my sales over time, my profit ratio, and my country sales. I'm going to assemble these into a new dashboard here in the web browser. So first of all, I'm going to use the new dashboard icon, same as on the desktop version. And here we have our new dashboard. And now, as on the desktop, I can simply drag and drop my various views onto the dashboard like so. To bring in some of these three views, and I'm going to have a look, and I'm going to make this one floating, so I can hover this over my country sales view here. Let's move this around a little bit to make sure it's a little bit more appropriately placed. There we are. And I'm just going to remove this one here. There we go. Now I think this one needs a title, so let's add a title in here. Just show our dashboard title here. And we're just going to rename the dashboard as our sales and profit dashboard. And there we have our dashboard. Now we're just going to do, as normal for me, I'm going to hide all the sheets on this dashboard, so we just have the dashboard as part of the view. And we're just going to move this, make sure it's exactly right there. There we are. And now we're going to save the dashboard. And we save our workbook. I'm going to give it a name, Superstore Test Workbook. Choose the project, we're just going to leave it as default. And we'll leave all the settings there as default. And there we have it. We have created our views and we have assembled them into a dashboard, all within the browser window. Now of course, while this does require the data source to be published, it is much more powerful tool for delivering self-service analytics at scale, empowering your users to make the most of their data. I hope you have found this video a useful one. Please subscribe for more Tableau 10 videos in the very near future.